as black diamond of Kashmir, this Shilajit. Have you heard about anything of the Shilajit? Actually, the Shilajit comes from these Himalayan mountains. At the peak of Himalayan mountains, when plants decay and decompose, it will form 85 minerals naturally.
Okay.
That is why this is called the black diamond of Kashmir. What it does, this Shilajit? First, it treats arthritis. You know arthritis, for
Yes,
joint
yes,
pain, back
yes,
pain, knee
yes.
pain. This is for that. Second thing, if there is any diabetic patient having sugar, BP, cholesterol, thyroid, this is for that. Present time, the main problem in females, that is PCOD problem. This world is number one for PCOD problem because this is known as an energy booster. We are doing a little physical work, we feel tiredness, fatigue, this is for that. Same just like our parents. After crossing the age 50, 70, 80, it is a natural process, bones are starting decaying. This world is number one for bone density, this is also good for eyesight, this is also good for weight loss. The help of citic.
Yes.
Otherwise,
Yes.
the temperature of Kashmir is too much low.
I know.
That means there is a deficiency of vitamin D because the vitamin D is directly present in sunlight. What vitamin D deficiency causes? Osteoporosis bonus, weakness of bones. Certain no body is working here with the help of citic. And second thing, you will not find here a bulky people. We are here medium sized
Yes,
people.
yes. Oversized.
Yeah. Because of the Shilajit. In our Kashmir, rare people are using the medicines. Maybe 90% people are not using the medicine because of the Shilajit. The main thing is how to consume this Shilajit. For sugar, BP, cholesterol, thyroid, for weight loss. Early in the morning, take a cup of warm water. That causes anemia deficiency, also abdominal pain and back pain. This is for anemia deficiency. There are few real features of the Shilajit in our Kashmir. Number one, especially old age people, having age about 70, 80, still 100, nobody is working here. Equal to a peanut size, take a cup of warm water. For those people having sugar, BP, cholesterol and weight loss, take a cup of warm water equal to a peanut size. It will dissolve. After dissolving, you can take it. Otherwise, it is better time is at bedtime because at bedtime our body goes in rest. It will absorb easily. But there is a foundation. Don't give to kids below age 12.